Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to do a real scarcity on Builderall Cheetah Builder. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will get back to you and reply to you. So we got a message here from one of our subscribers, Mr. Herding. Fabio, can you do a training showing what happens when the scarcity timer runs out and how to make a special offer not available anymore and send people to that regular price for the offer? Okay, so what he wants to do a real scarcity. That means that when the timer hits 0, that offer that was there is not gonna be there anymore. It's gonna be a new offer, which is the offer that they just lost. So if they don't take action on the time that they have, they lose the offer. So that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. Now, look at this. This right here, this image is pretty cool because it illustrates the scarcity mindset. You know, when people have a few cookies on the jar, they really want it because like it's just a few cookies there, right? As in if the jar is full, they kind of go, oh, okay, I'm not gonna buy it now, it's full, I can buy it later, and then they never buy again, right? That's why having a scarcity like this on a website really makes a big difference, as you know, people either take action within that time and buy, or the price is gonna go up. Alright, so let's jump into Cheetah Builder. So of course, to access Cheetah Builder, you go to Cheetah and then you on whatever page you want. So I've created a blank page to show you how to do this. So here we are at the Cheetah Builder. So here on the right, let's go to Elements and let's go ahead and add the timer. I'm just gonna add this first one, right? So now a timer, it's the scarcity itself. So when it hits 0, you want it to show a different button with a different price, right? To whatever you are offering. Now, of course, here you can edit this and set the time to whatever you want, right? So what we want to do now is this. So let's go ahead and add now a button. So let's go to button. Okay, I'm just gonna add this button. Let me just edit this button and just add here, buy now for $100, right? So this button which you could have a link, right? Let's go ahead and go to the edit element on the button. And now this is how you do it. So you want to come here to animation, and here on animation, you want to put this, which is timer, right? And now let's put the timer for 5 seconds. Let's say, now of course this is in seconds. You want to calculate how many seconds you want for this button to hide. That way it's gonna hide at the right time when the clock hits 0. And let's just put an example, 5 seconds for now. You can put any time you want. I'm just giving an example for 5 seconds. So 5 seconds, the effect that I want this is I want it to fade out. So let's go here. Here it is, fade out, this effect right here. So what I'm doing here is this button, after 5 seconds, is gonna fade out. It's gonna disappear, okay? Let's say the countdown here is 5 seconds. We can edit this, right? But so for the button, we added 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and preview. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the button disappears, meaning at the countdown, when it hits 0, the offer disappears. They had an opportunity to buy through this button, they didn't buy, the button just disappeared, right? But now you want to add a different button, which is the new button with the new pricing. So let's go ahead and add another button right now. Let's go and add here a button. And then this new button, I'm gonna put the button same size. I'm gonna edit here the element, and I'm gonna go ahead and at the headline, I'm gonna buy now for, and now instead of being 100, it's gonna be 149 because they didn't took action So it's gonna be more expensive now. Instead of being 100, it's gonna be 149. Now what I'm gonna do on this button, I'm gonna edit element, and then I'm gonna go here to animation again, and what I'm gonna do on the timer is gonna be again 5 seconds, but this time instead of being fade out, is gonna be fade in. Here it is, fade in, this one. Okay, now this button, since this button is gonna disappear, right? But now I can even, you know, change the color of this button. Let me go ahead and change the color real quick here of this button. I'm gonna put it, you know, just another color so we can see. So now we're gonna put this new button on top of this one. Okay, okay. So now let's go ahead and preview this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. It's changed from the green button to the red button. And this is how you do a real scarcity. This is how it's done. I hope that is making sense. This is how you do it. Now here the timer, of course, you would set the time for wherever time you want. Let's say you would say, you know, 30 minutes. And here, when you click edit the button, animation, time. Now here you have 5 seconds. Let's say you want, let's say 30 minutes. So you would come here to Google, for example, you would type in 30 minutes in seconds, okay? And then it will give you how many seconds it's 30 minutes. In this case, it's 1,800. So you would come here and you would put 1,800. So after 30 minutes, this button will disappear, and then you would need to come to this button and do the same amount, so this new button will appear. And that's a real scarcity. So one button disappears, which is the old one, where you can link to a price, and then a new button will show where you link to a brand new price, right? To a different offer. It can be a different offer with a different pricing, right? And there you go. I hope that is making sense. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like, give it a thumbs down. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you. And if you're looking to making money online, this opportunity that I have going on with Builderall, either if you already have Builderall or not, you can still do it. I'm going to leave a link below in the description and also in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. It's really a pleasure being here with you. Have a blessing day. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you so much. You're great. Stay blessed, and I'll see you next time.